night. We are on our way back home. It's been about 15-20 minutes outside the Canadian Tire Center, trying to get some shots. We'll see what we end up with. This is our first time really kind of playing with the camera. I've got exposure on auto, white balance locked at 5600. Just trying to make this as easy as possible. We are using the D-Log M color profile. We'll try to color grade it. I just don't wanna have to worry about as little as possible when using this camera. So, you know, sure, is it nice to have a shutter speed of double your frame rate so you can have that cinematic motion blur? Yeah, that's nice. How are we looking here? Are we getting any motion blur? Maybe, maybe not. I really don't want to have to use ND filters. ND filters? How do you feel about ND filters, babe?
I mean, you know, I could take them or leave them.
There you go. From the expert right there. Take them or leave them. Let's be honest. Kind of a pain in the ass. Is it that important that I have motion blur in my fucking wedding gig logs and my little day trips to Montreal with the wife? Probably not. So we'll see. Yeah, we'll check it out.